This is chapter 8, YouTube homework. The question was to write a sentence and to write a code which reverse the sentence backward every word. So the first thing I did was to do a function which reverse a word for every word, and I used foreign range 1 and len of the word plus 1, and to reverse word plus word, and to return the reverse word. So I used a big function to reverse the sentence of each word without changing the position of the words, but changing the letters of the word. So the first thing I did was to split the sentence, so I could change it word by word and not the whole sentence backwards. Then I did forward and list of words, which I used right here, to reverse it, and I used the reversed spring as a helper function in here, and I reversed every word in a sentence by splitting it each word. Then I gave a sentence to the function, then print it out. So I got this. The sentence was to be or not to be, that is a question. Then change it to, so it flipped every word, not the whole sentence, backward.